You just bought a latte for $6. 15 minutes later, it's gone. You won't even remember it tomorrow. Coffee every morning, takeout lunch, subscriptions you never watch. Seems like pocket change. Those drops add up to an ocean. $1.5 million. I'm James, and today I'll show you how your daily habits can make you a millionaire or leave you broke. Let's go. Most people think wealth comes from a high salary, but the truth is, it's all about boring daily habits. We'll break down how much you're really losing on small stuff and how to redirect that money to your future. In just a few minutes, you'll get a simple system you can use today. Let's dive in. One $6 latte every weekday, that's $30 a week, $120 a month, $14.40 a year, just on coffee. Add takeout lunch, bottled water, snacks, easily another $300 a month. Now subscriptions. The average American spends over $200 a month on services they barely use. Add it up. Coffee, food, subscriptions, that's almost $7,000 a year from habits, not luxuries. If you invest that $7,000 at 8%, in 30 years it becomes nearly $1 million. The only question, who gets that million? You or the corporations? The choice is yours. Step 1. Track. For 1 week, write down everything you spend. Pick 1 or 2 habits to cut. Start small. Step 2. Automate. On payday, automatically move money to an investment account. Start with $5 a day. You won't even miss it. Step 3. Don't touch. Buy an S&P 500 index fund and forget it. When the market drops, don't panic. Just wait. Time works for you. 3 simple steps: awareness, automation, patience. No genius required. Every skipped latte builds your future. Let's recap. Your daily habits aren't small change. They're your future capital. If you don't control them, they control you. You can start with any amount. $5 today becomes $200,000 in 30 years. $10 becomes $400,000. You can become a millionaire just by changing habits. Drop a comment. What's one habit you're willing to quit today? It locks in your decision. And subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Wealth starts not with a big paycheck, but with small choices. I'm James. See you next time.